the blue box toolkit. What does that mean? Benchmade obviously makes really expensive, nice collectible knives. Let's see what this thing is all about. I don't think this thing was very expensive either. Probably like 20 bucks, that's it. Butterfly logo, beautiful. And who does not need screwdrivers and Allen wrenches and things like that? I think this is more like star drivers. There's a pocket clip, so you can put in front pocket, back pocket. Oh, that's cool. This is actually a drill bit by Benchmade kit. That is crazy. And you got it here, star bits. That's crazy. I did not expect for it to be just drill bit. I just bought it without really reading the description, figured make myself a surprise, figured out what it is and show it to you what it is. And at the same time, that is cool. There you go. The blue box toolkit by Benchmade. Now you know what it is. Also I got it here, SAG multi-tool, hex bit kit, accessory, 13 tools combo. This is straightforward. This is so cool. So you got it here, all these bits, and there's a hole. Let's open it up and figure it out what's about. Boom. So you got here the hanging hook, so you can hang it on the back of your backpack, work bucket, whatever. But the special thing about this thing is that you can take out your bit and place it in here and actually use this like a screwdriver. Just push it in and twist. You see what I mean? Like that. And whenever you need another one, just put this one away. Grab one of these flatheads or star bits or Allen wrenches. You see there's a tiny Allen wrench. Plug it in into here, use it. Or you can even use it on actual drill, because that stuff is pretty standard. This is cool. I wonder if I'm gonna be losing them, or this seems to be tight. Anyways, let me know in comments below what do you think about these two like everyday carry items. I kind of like this one a little bit better because you could actually have a little bit more leverage to turn it and a little bit more comfortable than Benchmade. But at the same time, because of the name, this probably will be way more money worth it than this one. This one was only $14, but both of them weren't very expensive. So this is cool.